Hello my friends and welcome to Crypto Verdict. I am Misha and I'm here to give you vital information about the cryptosphere. In today's video I want to address the recent Nano Ledger hack. It is called MCU fooling and was revealed by a Wiz-Kid called Salim Rashid. The type of attack he presented is generally a physical one, meaning that the attacker needs to have access to your hardware wallet in order to tamper with its software, which is very unlikely because we all know that we should always keep our hardware wallets as safe as possible. Still a serious security issue should your NanoS fall into the wrong hands. Ledger showed professionalism and quickly released the firmware update 141, which fixes Rashid's MCU fooling vulnerability, along with other hacks and vulnerabilities like the Oracle padding on SCP found by Timothy Isnard and the isolation exploit found by Sergei Volokitin. I strongly recommend to perform the update of your NanoS Ledger's firmware to version 141. This is vital for the security of your cryptos and you should do it as soon as possible. The steps for updating 141 are as follows. Connect your wallet to your PC, input your PIN code, open Google Chrome, go to Apps, open Ledger Manager, go to Firmwares, click Install for firmware version 141, confirm the install on the Ledger, confirm the identifier to be correct with the one displayed in the Manager app, input your PIN code, see the MCU firmware is outdated message, unplug and replug your NanoS. You will get the bootloader message on your NanoS and a restoring MCU message on your Manager app. This means that the update is about to begin automatically. You will get the update message on your NanoS and the installing firmware on your Manager app. This means that the update is ongoing and you need to wait for it to finish. Wait for the Insert PIN screen and input your PIN. To check if the update was successful on your NanoS, navigate to Settings, Device, Firmware. It should say Secure Element 141. Press the right button and it should say MCU 1.5. If the firmware on your NanoS doesn't coincide with update 141/MCU 1.5, it means that the update was not successful and you need to restart the update process again. For more detailed instructions on how to perform the software update, please check the link with the walkthrough in the video's description. If you enjoyed this video and found this information useful, please leave a like, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel for more useful and informative content on the cryptosphere. Thank you for watching and remember, knowledge is power. Bye! See you next time!